Hello, everyone.
Ang gwapo mo pala sa personal.
Ang galing ni Mariel. Palapakan naman natin si Mariel. Alright. Hello, ano sa inyo dyan? Ako gusto ko rin personally magpasalamat kay Sir Paul Villanueva at kay Sir Anton Alfaro dahil dinala niya kami dito. First time namin dito. First time mo ba,
Yes.
First time. Anong na-feel mo nung dumating ka? Galing pa kasi siyang Cebu no? Hindi. Isabela pala. Galing siya Isabela. Kami galing kami Manila ni Brother Noven. And pagbiling na nito, sabi ko, plano kasi namin ng family ko pumunta dito sa November. Pero naunahan ko na tuloy.
Ako this summer.
This summer, no? Ayun. And nakakatuwa naman na nakarating kami dito sa wakas. At nanamit ko yun, ay, ito pala sila. Ready na pa ba yung music natin? Okay na ba kumanta kami ng Jota ng Maria?
Nabala ko kayo sa...
Ready po ba yung music?
Okay na.
Alright. Para sa ating mga in love ngayong gabi. Love you too.
From this moment, life has begun.
From this moment, you are the one.
And beside you
It's where I belong.
from this moment.
From this moment, I can't take the words.
For your happiness and for your love, I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you and all my heart.
Can't wait to live a life with you. Can't wait to Italiano, everyone!